We have effectively only two regimens to treat a patient. Inevitably, after a while, and we know, or statistics shows that after 5 years, people need 20%, 1/5 of the people need a second line therapy.
We do have patients that are failing on first line, and those patients are put on second line. Then we do have quite a number that are failing both lines that are provided in South Africa. Then with those patients, we are faced with the problem that we are back to square one, where they have nothing, where the clinic has nothing to offer, but where they are still on second line, but failing second line.
We start to see now, it's by chance still a small proportion, less than 1% of our patients, but we start to say young women to who we said those tablets will save your life, and actually who are now resistant to second line. And we are obliged to tell them there is no option for you anymore. And to say to a patient who is still very well, sorry, but we have no option now, it's not acceptable, while we all know that in the UK, for example, there's no the choice between 24 different antiretrovirals, so unlimited number of combinations.
I tell myself that I think it's not working, it's still line 2, but I'm waiting for the results. I'm not feeling all right because my weight is not right. Yeah, I'm so worried because you see, you eat treatment because you want to see, but I don't know why it's not working. But again, I have a hope that but they talk about the third line, but I don't know where is or where the doctors they come with that, but